everybody, welcome back to our channel Programming School. In this video I came up with an interesting and exciting news. Deloitte is going to hire an intern off campus. So I'll be showing you the details of the eligibility criteria and the job role which is offered by Deloitte and the location of the job role. So do watch the video till end. Now let's get started. So basically it's an off-campus recruitment from Deloitte. The role of the intern is intern analyst. The location might be at Hyderabad or Bangalore. It's really a great opportunity for the 2021 graduates because it's really interesting. So when looking at the eligibility criteria or the qualifications required, they have mentioned only like BE or BTech, BTech. So they didn't mention any kind of branches. So each and every branch can apply for this role, and they also didn't mention like marks, log or CGPA percentage. So anybody who is BTech, they can apply for this job role. And here are some things like we need to understand in order to apply for this job role. Candidates with understanding. So if you are familiar with the basic programming languages like C and Java, you're apt for this to apply. And based on that, if you have an experience on technical tools, it will be an added advantage, but it's not mandatory. And also you need to have some excellent analytical skills and understanding of process. You need to have an excellent written, email and verbal communication skills. So these are the four important points that you need to require, or the qualifications that are required in order to apply for this role. Here you can also look at the Deloitte culture, like they are positive and supportive culture, encourage the people to do their best every day. They celebrate each and every individual's day by recognizing their uniqueness and offer them with such a flexibility and make their daily choices. They can help them to be healthy, centered and confident. Basically Deloitte is a company where it will be encouraging the younger graduates to show up their talent and encourage them every day, and make sure that even they also get to know their own individuality and their own preferences or their own confidence and all. You can go through all this. I'll be sharing you the link in the description box. As I already said you, the location is Hyderabad or Bangalore. You can also go to the shift timings, like it might be from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So how do you apply? You just need to click on apply now and you will be redirected to this page. If you are already a user of a Deloitte, you need to just log in with your username or password. Otherwise you go with the new user. Where it will be directed to the new user registration page. You need to give the username, password and you need to register. So this is a simple and easy process, and it's really an exciting job role or intern for 2021 graduates. So do watch the link which I'll be mentioning in the description box and register immediately. Thank you for watching this video.